welcome back to Zen again, and I have my special guest once again. Okay. No. Olga, no, is my name. Okay, that was weird. It's actually, don't tell everyone. So today we're going to show you some Snapchat life hacks, or just hacks. Oh, we have to record it again. Okay, guys, we just pressed something. We pressed. Okay, we're gonna do the life hacks. On my iPad. So, the first, if you want to add us for life hack, for Snapchat, Olga Calic 9 and Cool Girl LPS 14. Jinx. Okay. Look. That's her love. Don't you? She has some lip balm, and I'm so jealous. I love them. Yeah. Okay. Guys, wait, guys, wait just for seconds. Okay, anyways, I'll be just talking. We can just talk. I don't think we can do Snapchat life hacks, but we're just gonna do like gaming and stuff, right? Yeah. Okay, like we're gonna play Crossy Road. Well, because you're a YouTube capture. Yeah. So I'm the Osmo, so they can actually. Well, yeah. I hope you have. Why do you only have one channel? Well, you can see. Okay, fine. That's it. Here's the Crossy. Yeah. And there's like secrets, like we can show you how to like. I have the baller. I do. Okay. I swear, I have 64. And I have like 83. Haha. Yeah, I have like way more than her. Okay, then at the end I'll show you my score when I'm done. So, if you guys don't know how to play Crossy Road, it's very fun and addictive. And it's free, which is the awesome part. Yes, the very awesome part, because it collected a coin. Anyways, I found these bags. My top is 140. Okay, then guys, let's see my free gift. I just pressed it. What is it? 60. Okay, and I get a prize. So let's see what it is. Hopefully we don't get a double. Yeah, I don't like doubles. I do doubles. They're so annoying. Seriously? I hate doubles, guys, but I go to Swamp Frog. Yeah. Maybe we might make this video like, what the heck? What the heck just happened? Okay, let's. Now I have another game, which is just like Flappy Bird, and it's kind of cool. What the heck is that? What was that game? Is it like Crossy Road Flappy Bird? Yeah. Okay, guys, let's play. I hate Flappy Bird, and I guess what we found it at Barbie's toilet. We found a shop. I'm just gonna bonk into stuff. Why is that Phoebe? That's not Phoebe. Yeah, it does. I love this. So I have another game. And for Minion Rush. So while that oh shoot, sorry guys. Why? There's no free space. But I have Flappy Bird and Flappy Bird Extreme. Yeah, it was so fun. Oh, guys. It's annoying, but if you want to try it, sure. If you like it, okay. We both have different minds, I guess. Well, not both. There's millions of people watching. Just kidding. Okay, so can I play for like the Crossy Road? I want one. Okay, sure. I want to do it. Guess what? I found on YouTube how to make it. I know it. But so, here. I love this one. I'm going to film Zen playing Crossy Road. So yes. Oh, I want to play Crossy Road. Okay, anyway.
So weird.
Okay, so.
Oh!
Move the camera. Move the camera so we move it right. We gotta move everything out of the way.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, you can see.
Okay, then we would probably go like
Okay. Who cares? Because we want to make this video more.
I'm good at this. I might be good at this.
Now watch me. No!
What's your best 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of hard.
You can make weird sounds. Okay, I'm gonna try again.
You can tap the character to change.
See, you're not even good at it.
Wait. Finish.
What the heck? This game is so hard than flying.
I know. At least you got 3 instead of 1.
I'm sorry. Okay.
No. That costs money. Wait, maybe just do it like this.
What the heck?
You cannot see. Okay, maybe. She got 1. Just
I wanna
press
try.
Hello.
Again. I just decorated my children and I decorated.
Oh, Zen decorated her cake for shopping, and you saw that I did too. I can't show it. Wait, like almost filming for 7 minutes.
No, we should like there. This is probably like the longest video we've made in my channel. Well, like the longest video that we
She has.
Yeah. I got it for Christmas from Santa. I don't believe in Santa, then don't trust me.
I don't believe in Santa. I've knew that since I was 6. Look.
What the heck?
This is how my brother draws Steve. And then Steve loves Zen.
Well, at least you got No. Yeah.
This game is way too hard. Woo! 5 or something.
Okay, I'm gonna try this. Usually, I get 30 something. 6, you're supposed to. What the heck? I made it!
Guys, it's a minion. Why does a minion not say banana? He's like, yeah. Oh my god. We almost been doing this for 8 minutes.
Okay. Where was the cameraman?
Yeah. I should have done it the other way. We'll make another video after this.
So we'll see you guys.
In our next video.
Bye.
Just end it.